Now the logic used in this cubic equation will be the sum of the roots, the sum of the product of the roots taking two roots at a time, as well as the product of the roots. You must be knowing these three things. So if you have in general the equation as ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Do not look at this equation right now. Okay, do not compare it with. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. So sum of the roots, we write it as s1 is minus b upon a. Sum of the product of the roots taking two roots at the time is c upon a, and product of the roots, we write it as s3 taking all the roots at a time, will be minus d upon a. So you should be knowing these things. So if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots, so alpha plus beta plus gamma is this. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will be c upon a, and alpha into beta into gamma is minus d upon a in a cubic equation like this. Okay, so we'll apply the same thing here. So first of all, the roots are given in AP, so I'll assume the roots as a minus d, a, and a plus d. Okay, now sum of the roots, the sum of these three is 3a is equal to minus of minus 6 upon 1, that is equal to 6. So this implies a is equal to 2. So we can write the roots as 2 minus d, 2 and 2 plus d. Okay, this is the first part. Now moving ahead, sum of the product of the roots taking two roots at a time. So it will be, so these are the three roots. So 2 minus d into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus d, and 2 minus d into 2 plus d. Okay, now this will be equal to b upon 1, that is equal to b. So simplifying the left hand side, so 4 minus 2d plus 4 plus 2d plus 4 minus d square is equal to b. Okay, so minus 2d and plus 2d will get cancelled. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12 minus d square is equal to b. Okay, so I can say that 12 minus b will be equal to b square. Done. Now since the roots are real, okay, so d has to be also a real number, and on the right hand side I have d square, that means a perfect square which will be always greater than 0. Okay, so I can say that 12 minus b will be greater than 0, so b will be less than 12. So b less than 12, I can shortlist option A and option B. I can reject option C and option D. Okay, now again using the product of the roots. So product of the roots, 2 minus d multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 plus d should be equal to minus c. Okay, so simplify on the left hand side, it will be 4 minus d square multiplied by 2 is equal to minus c. So in this case, d square will be equal to, it will be 4 plus, so let's open the brackets first of all. Okay, so I can say that it will be 8 minus 2d square is equal to minus c. So 2d square is equal to 8 plus c, and d square will be equal to 8 plus c divided by 2. Now once again, d square should be greater than 0. So 8 plus c upon 2 should be greater than 0. So the value of c, it will be greater than minus 8. Now check among the options. Option A says C is less than minus 8. Option B says C is greater than minus 8. So option B will be the correct answer for this question.